everyone, Rita here from All Secure, and today I want to talk to you about Hope Connection Community. We're out here today installing some cameras to help them be all secure. But did you know that Hope Connection Community helps hundreds of the residents of Arvada and in nearby areas every single day? Right now, one of the cool projects that they're working on is Project Prom, and here there are literally hundreds of prom dresses ready to go to girls who just want to go to prom and experience that that teenage rite of passage of having fun at prom and wearing a beautiful dress and getting dressed up. Some people can't afford a brand new dress every year, and those dresses can get pretty expensive, especially some of the fancy ones. So if you have been to a gala, if you have been to a fancy event, and you still have that dress sitting in your closet and you know you're never going to wear it again, donate it over here to Hope Connection Community so that way they can give it to a young woman who just wants to go to prom and wear something that's super fun and look like a princess. Hope Connection Community, bringing the community together, one dress at a time. All the colors, all of the prom dresses. Look at all those fun dresses. Oh my goodness. Black dresses, pink dresses, pick out your color. White dresses. Oh my goodness, so pretty. And my favorite. My personal favorite, purple dresses. Oh, and short dresses too. Look at those little short dresses there. The purple dresses. As a matter of fact, I donated this dress. It was super fun to wear. The birthday room. Families who can't afford to give their children birthday presents. And even cake, wrapping paper, everything you need to make sure that your kiddo has a great birthday. Hope Connection Community, this place is rad.